see. Next up, we're trying the new Pantheon football dual box break number 1. Where's my teams? We have ACOL with the Patriots, Andrew P. Giants, Warren Panthers, Chaz Browns, Kloss to Clout Redskins. L's has the Jaguars, DCT Bears and Titans, Doug W. Dolphins and Jets, Packer 23 Saints, Glow Chargers, JMBB Packers, Joby has Ravens Rams, Turkish Bengals, JMac Niners, Hanu Vikings, JLo Booty Bills, haven't seen JLo Booty forever, Henry with the Steelers, Mikey Cowboys, Broncos, Chiefs and Eagles, Nicky G Raiders, Mr. Philbrook Texans, Pack King Seahawks, T4 Brilla, Lions and Buccaneers, and Coleman with the Colts. It's part of the Super VIP. No. Pantheon. Wow, never bad to start with a Dan Marino autograph. 5,000-yard passer, Dan Marino. Doug, what a night Doug is having. Under that, a Carlos Henderson Neophyte Calligraphy for the Broncos. Mikey. A redemption for Stephon Diggs, Pantheon Scripts for the Vikings. Hanu. Dan the man right out of the bat. Right out of the gate. We have a dual relic, Jameis Winston and Mike Evans. Sympaticus. It's Greek for teammates, I read. T4 Brilla. A jumbo jersey upside down of Leonard Fournette. L's. Oh, all the card numbers are on the back. Oh, Dan Marino's 12 of 25. Carlos Henderson's to 149. And the Winston and Evans is 13 of 25. I forgot about the card number, sorry. Under the Fournette is 14 of 99. CJ Beathard. Patch for the Niners. For J-Mac. That is 12 of 25. They're all low numbered, huh? And you have a Jordan Matthews, they're like metal base cards. 15 of 50. The base set's kind of interesting. Jordan Matthews. Nice Dan Marino. Yep, Marino, 12 of 25. It's a quick break. It's a little dual box break. Boxes are expensive. I couldn't figure out how to do teams because the team prices were so high. The only way I could do it is dual box. Start with the Kenny Golladay rookie jersey auto for the Lions. T4 Brilla. That is to 149. And Dan Reeves? Dan Reeves autograph for the Broncos. Mentors. Mikey. Numbered 14 of 49. Bob Lilly, Milestone Scripts for the Cowboys. Also Mikey. I feel naked. 85 of 99. Whoa. Johnny Unitas laundry tag? Coleman, look at that card. It's the 1 of 1? 1 of 1 Johnny Unitas. That's pretty awesome. Can't say I've ever had a Unitas laundry tag before. Cool card, dang. And under that, a Trubisky patch. That looks like a Titans patch. Where do they have a Carolina blue on a the Bears jersey. I think that's a Titans patch. Am I wrong? Because they're Carolina blue anywhere on a Bears jersey? That can't be right. 30 of 49. North Carolina. Oh, yeah, he went to UNC. Duh. Ardarius Stewart for the Jets. College patches. Ah, there you go. I didn't think they would have college patches in here. To 49, Ardarius Stewart patch. And the base, 13 of 50, Eli Manning for the Giants. Andrew P. Well, they haven't been putting college patches in pro releases, like ever. Usually the first stuff of the year or the college products have college patches, but they don't. I'm trying to think if there's anything that had just college patches lately.